Figma recently launched a new AI widget named Jambot. It's very useful to understand how it's getting integrated to your Figma and how you can use that in your daily life, to make easy of a design process. We'll learn about Jambot in this video. Stay tuned. Keep watching. So to get started, you have to open Figma, and in Figma, you have to open a new FigJam file. In this FigJam file, if you see right here, you have get a more section where the Jambot is present. If you don't find it popping up, you just go simply and type Jambot, and in the widget section, you will find the Jambot. This is a widget of the Jambot where you have multiple things you can do within this AI widget. So we'll start with, for example, a quick question. What is this? Once you click on quick question, it happens is this green box is the input for you. In the input section, you will be mentioning what kind of a project or what kind of a thing you're doing. For example, we'll write washing service application. Then we'll ask certain questions regarding that. So once you ask it, it will give you a certain set of writings. In that, you can learn how to build any tags. If you want to summarize that, you click on summarize as bullet points, and this will give you a bulleted points approach. Now what you can do is, there is a feature in the Jambot where rabbit hole makes sense. Rabbit hole is going deeper into a sequential AI generated interface. Click on rabbit hole. It takes its own sweet time to give you some of the options. How do you approach? It's very interesting. If you see user personas and user mapping, journey, information architecture, content strategy, usability testings. Now you start learning about new things from this. How for that product, what you are building, you are start understanding how user personas are laid out, how user casting can be done, and show all stuff. Now, for example, what happens? I click on ideate. So what happens? It will give you an ideation of how the steps of the mobile applications it will like. It will give you suggestions to develop a virtual reality platform that allows designers to experience user journey first-hand help, and you can start rewriting about this. But rewrite, right? Send. It will rewrite the whole content for you in a mail format, and it will suggest you, and you can copy paste this and send it across to your team members. Don't like it? Rewrite this. Write it as if it is a joke. So once you rewrite that, it will rewrite the whole concept into a joke format. Now let's start doing something fresh. We'll go to Jambot, we'll have another section. Now what we'll do is, we'll, for example, use this, pose this up. What it helps is to understand interactive button. Code this up, you might say, for example, build me, for example, a button on hover changes color to red. Once you click on code, look how smart it is. It will give you an HTML code with some inline, CSS on this. And now, for example, some of the designers who doesn't know how to code or doesn't have that much of a knowledge about code, which almost or maximum of the designers do, you can click on teach me this, and it will generate an option where you can learn about that code and certain stuff like that. Jambot is a very interesting, unique piece of AI tool, what I can say. You can play around with a lot of this stuff. You can go into, researching, and you can gather knowledge about what you are building and use this in your design journey process, which helps you to understand that there are certain steps you should follow, or certain steps, which I always mention in my videos, that this will help you in creating the learnings of a software before you start building it. Mind that this will not help you in building a wireframe or a mockup that I will show in the next video or the videos upcoming, how you can use AI to create some of the wireframes and mockups which will help you start creating the ideation flow of how you build a role application. Learn about Jambot, go play around with this. Let me know in the comments that you liked it and how did you use it in your daily processes. There are millions and trillions of ways you can use Jambot. See you in the next video. Up till then, please like if you love it. Please comment down below and don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you.